All right, today we're gonna unbox the 100 watt Diginest Pro Power Strip. Let's go. Let's pop open the box. Inside we have, oh no, all of the necessary paperwork, the user instructions, and the user manual. And right here we have the power strip itself. This is the front. It has 3 USB-C ports right here, then 1 USB-A port, and next to all the ports is the power button. And then on the back we have 2 sockets, and there's a third one on the top for a total of 1, 2, 3 sockets. And then over here is the 1.8 meter cable because it is a power strip with the plug at the end.